This is amazing. Hi there, we're Denise and Reed. And that's Bella and Rita. This week, the four of us pick up where we left off in our last video.
To the Grand Canyon!
What are we waiting for? Let's go! Good morning.
Good morning.
We don't have coffee, but I can make us some tea.
Yeah.
Come on, you want your breakfast?
Eat your food? Oh yeah, just walk all over me.
Ready?
Tea for my walk with Rita.
Good morning. I recently woke up, so don't mind the hair, but it's time to make the bed while Reed takes Bella and Rita on a walk. All done. Time to make some pancakes.
I just got back from my morning run. I was anticipating on being gone for about 15-20 minutes. I got to the trailhead here at Red Mountain Trailhead, and it said 1.5, so I figured what's an extra mile? So I did 3 miles of trail running. The Red Mountain Trail is beautiful. It is so gorgeous. These really cool rock formations, and you're running on sand and in between trees, and then you get into like this little valley area. It was very pretty, and you can do a lot of climbing around there. I climbed a little bit up, but it got a little steep. I could hear Denise's voice in the back of my head telling me, be careful, and come back safely. So after I got a certain height, I came back down, and I was worried about time because I told her I'd be gone for like 20 minutes. But yeah, it's a great hike. If you're on your way to the Grand Canyon from Flagstaff, Red Mountain Trail, it's a short, easy hike, 1.5 miles one way. Check it out.
We do
Have to get going.
It's already 9:30.
Already 9:30.
Yeah, and we gotta head to Grand Canyon.
I'm really glad we didn't rush this morning, get up and like just make some tea and hit the road. So it's been nice to relax for a sec. Then we're gonna have all day at the Grand Canyon. Ooh, South Rim, here we come.
And you did a lot of research, didn't you?
I did a little bit of research.
Now it's time to eat.
Yeah, let's eat.
Alright. So these didn't come out as I expected them to. They look worse than they taste. Wait, that doesn't sound good. They
look worse than they
taste better than they look, I promise you. I put strawberries in them.
We're rolling out. To the Grand Canyon. It's gotten really cloudy, and so we're actually gonna pivot we're gonna find a campground and post up for the day and get our plan lined up really nicely, and that way we can wake up early in the morning and hit it and get in the park at a good time, because it says like it was like an hour wait to get in the park right now. So we're gonna go into the visitor center and gather some information, and then I'm hungry. I know we had banana pancakes like an hour and a half ago, but I'm starving already, so I think we're gonna have tacos too.
Why don't we divide and conquer? I make the tacos, you go inside.
Yeah. Let's divide and conquer. Liver King. I mean, Reed, out.
No.
I'm just kidding.
So I'm gonna make a walnut chorizo for the tacos.
So we're gonna camp somewhere out here, and then early in the morning, about 4 a.m., we're gonna head in, try to catch the sunset at this point right here. We have 2 hiking options. We can do Bright Angel Trailhead, and that's pretty long. It's 6 hours on average, 2 hours down, 4 hours back. And then there's South Kaibab Trailhead, and that looked more reasonable because there's like Ooh Ah Point and a couple other points that we can go to, and we could do a 6-mile round trip hike. So we'll probably do this one, but for sunset I want to try and get a photo, or sunrise I want to try and get a photo here. And then there's a trailhead out here. This is the furthest west trailhead out here, and there's all kinds of trails that branch down from here, but these 2 are some of the most popular. Yeah, that's kind of the game plan for tomorrow. Get up real early, 4 a.m. This is our first time, digging in the Grand Canyon. We'll definitely be back to do a hike down to the bottom or a rafting trip through. Welcome to Denise's taco review. I dubbed these a 10 out of 10. Look at you, a dozen of these. Oh, we just left the visitor center. We drove a whopping 0.5 miles over here to Gym Loop Road. There's a few different turnouts and campsites right here along Gym Loop Road, just a mile away from the south entrance. So if you're looking for a free place to stay, 14 nights, Gym Loop Road's a good option if you don't mind being too close to the road. Bella and Rita and I are gonna go suss out the campsite, check it out, get a little time outdoors. Tomorrow we gotta get up at 4 a.m. Woo! So excited for that. Can't wait, right, Bella? 4 a.m. That's the great part about summertime. It's early sunrises. So if you're trying to do sunrise photography, you have to get up even earlier.
What do you think? Is the grass greener, Belly?
So yeah, you see there's a few campsites there. Campsites lining both sides of the road. Looks like an open space right there. But I think it's just a couple miles of dirt road with little circles and turns about. We'll put the camera down for a little bit. This will be our spot for the night. It's only it's 2:30 in the afternoon right now, so we've got quite a bit of time here. Try to be productive. Good morning. It is 4 a.m. and we are about to head into the Grand Canyon. We're layered up, and yeah, we'll let the animals out to go potty, and then we're gonna go in and try and catch the sunrise. Hopefully the camera stops making that ripple effect. I don't know if it's because it's temperature based or what, but yes, it's bright. It's dark and early. Not bright and early. Let's go.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
What do you think?
Wow, it's amazing.
Feel so lucky, still can't believe you love me. never ends. Let's be more than friends.
Reed has been practicing his photography, and maybe we'll insert some shots that he took here.
No, I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
It's the weirdest thing to just be, for you to feel so small in such a big place. Seeing these birds fly around, it's wild.
Yeah, I would give anything to get a little glider, just jump, take off, glide down to a little campsite. You can see, we saw different lights in the dark of people down there hiking around, camping and whatnot. Definitely on the bucket list for the future. I know I've said that once before, but yeah, it is a special place indeed.
It is.
This is just one viewpoint.
I know. You want to come around with us as we see more?
Yeah.
This place is amazing.
We did some walking around. We looked at the Geology Through Time trail, and now we're gonna make some grits or something savory. Yeah.
Yeah.
We spent 2.5 hours watching the sunrise, taking photos, walking around. So unreal that even with all the science backing it, it's still hard to even fathom how this happened. Like, it is quite impressive. So, breakfast, Geology Museum, and then
Headed to Mather Point.
now we're about to drive out to Desert View and stop along a couple of viewpoints on the way. We won't be doing any hiking today because we're a little sore and maybe have a couple injuries. I'm not saying any names, so my hip's a little busted. But yeah, so we're gonna look at all the viewpoints. I thought just going to the viewpoints would be like, we're just gonna go and do the viewpoints, but they're so awe-inspiring and so worth going to every single viewpoint if you can, because you get a different view at each one. But yeah, we got some good photos, and I'm excited to go check out the other viewpoints on our way out and out towards our next destination. Flagstaff is close by, Williams is even closer by. It's a place where people sometimes take a train to the Grand Canyon. Bright Angel bicycles, which we were thinking about doing, but with us our legs not feeling too good, we didn't want to bike around. But that would be a good way to see the Rim Trail. I would get out early before all the people do. So we were out from 5 a.m. till about 8 a.m. and there wasn't too many people out. And then after that, it started to get pretty crowded on the trail. So if you're going to be riding a bike on the Rim Trail, definitely recommend going in the morning. Duck on a point.
It's a duck. This is amazing.
It is a Grandview Point. And we've got the front row parking.
Adds a little, but it works its way down to sea level.
You ready to roll?
So we turned down this trail because there's apparently a lookout, and it just took us on this bumpy trail, and our kettle is unhappy with us. But we're making our way. You can stay out here. That's super nice. This is the first
That's cool.
national park we've been to that you can just stay.
Yeah, so we just passed the Grandview, and like a mile down on the right, there's a dirt road. So if you punch in Grandview Lookout Tower, along the way, there's a bunch of free camping options, up to 14 days. That's right, up to 14 days of free camping inside the national park. How cool is that? Arizona, you rock. We're gonna climb up this tower now. It looks like it's a steel, I don't know how tall the tower is, but it's like a steel lookout tower. So we're gonna go up there, check out the view, and then come back and let Rita out because she really wants to go outside.
It's true.
Yeah, we gotta take care of our cat.
Rita, you wanna go outside? I know. There's the tower.
Would you look at this grand view?
You're a Grandview. We're gonna go all the way up there.
First flight done. How many more we got? Yeah, it's shaking. Oh, great.
All right, Reed's feeling a little anxious.
Yeah. Yeah, this isn't my idea of a fun Saturday night.
Saturday night.
Keep 2 hands on at all times. Oh yeah. You can see the whole forest all the way up to the rim.
This little one got some time outside.
The Grandview Tower was a little nerve-wracking. My legs are still a little wobbly, but let's go to another watchtower.
The sand hurts. It's very, very windy out, and so the sand is whipping around. And I changed into shorts in order to be ready for this. And now the sand is hitting my bare legs. Oh, skip.
How do we get down there?
So we just got back from seeing Horseshoe Bend. It was absolutely breathtaking. It's a 1.5 mile walk there, round trip, and the walk was nothing, so it's definitely worth a visit. I mean, the thing about it is you're there, and it definitely looks like the way you see it in photos. No joke. It is just mesmerizing. We spent probably an hour there just like staring out at the water, which is why we didn't film a lot, because it was just one of those things we wanted to be present for and really take in the moment. So absolutely worth a visit. We're gonna head back to the van, and then we're gonna pick back up with you tomorrow in the morning and show you where we camped out. All right, see you then. Good morning. So we just woke up at a Walmart. We made our coffee because we just got a new French press, finally. So happy about that. So we made coffee this morning, and now we're gonna head to Vermilion Cliffs, we think. We're gonna drive by it and see how we're feeling. If not, we'll go straight to Grand Canyon North. But yeah, we're gonna check it out, see what's going on, and we're gonna take you with us. Let's go see. In our next video, we explore the remote north rim of the Grand Canyon. We take in the ever-expansive views And we even get to camp right on the edge. We'll see you there.